Today, you guys are going to get the full guide on how you're going to start your own print-on-demand online store with $0. You can make and sell your own custom designs without needing a lot of money up front, which is like amazing because there's so many makers. They have such good talent. They have good art, but they want to sell like custom designs, but it's very expensive if you want to like go ahead and buy a lot of hoodies up front, clothing up front. But there's another method. This business model is one of the best business models for people who don't have money, but they want to start a business, especially if you're like a maker. So what is print on demand? Print on demand is a business model where they only produce the product after receiving an order. So through your online store, they place an order, they see your cool design on a hoodie and they order it. Boom. Now the print on demand platform is going to produce the product and they're going to ship it to your customer. And this is such a cost-effective way to sell personalized product without all of those upfront costs. And also you get to test out products. You get to test out designs. You get to see like what's working. What is your audience like? What do they not like? Instead of just like upfront ordering a lot of custom made hoodies, like say you order a lot and you have them on hand. First of all, you have all the inventory in your house. A lot of people do not have the room in their house for that. So it's just such a better business model for someone who doesn't have a lot of space, someone who doesn't have a lot of money, and you just want to test out designs and see what your audience likes. While I have you guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and let's continue. So now I'm about to give you guys 15 print on demand ideas. So to get the 15 print-on-demand ideas, and you might even get more than that, you're going to go to Printful, and then you're going to go to their product catalog, and they have basically every single thing. You'll see like a lot of things over here. So the first print-on-demand idea is going to be stickers. Very popular one. So search up stickers, and you will see all the options that you have. So you have the Kiss Cut stickers, the Kiss Cut holographic stickers, and you guys will see the prices on here. And you guys, Printful Growth, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the Printful Growth plan, but you have such an advantage with the Printful Growth plan. You will get things for a lot cheaper than if you don't have that plan. Like you can do this for free, but the Printful Growth plan is where you're going to see a lot more profit in your business. So glass jars, soy wax candle, floral hand body wash. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that they would have this. Like I'm talking about just like stickers like this, basically these sort of stickers. Like if you customize your own, you have your own designs. But you guys, they also can do custom stickers like this for like people's cosmetic businesses. So you can have the option to where you have people upload their file and you can have like Printful print it. I'll explain everything in a little bit, but this is so fun, even for candles. Wow. So the second idea is going to be mugs, and they have a lot of different options for mugs, and you can have different colors. Let me actually click and see if they have different colors. Okay, so this one has only black, but they do have different sizes. Let me see this one right here. I mean, white is like the standard. Like if you're going to be putting a print on it, white is probably the best. Okay, so idea number 3 are going to be hats. And I'm going to show you guys like how to make the designs for all of these because it's only one platform that you're going to need to make the designs. But you have different types of hats to choose from. You have beanie, you have the snapback, you even have different materials. I like the jean. I love jean stuff. Like these days, the jean is just so freaking pretty. And wow, you even have like bucket hats. Nice. So you have many options for the custom hats. These are so cute. Will do amazing in winter. Okay. So idea number 4 is going to be hoodies. So you're going to search up hoodies and you're going to see all the different options that you have. Wow, you can even do like Under Armour hoodie. That's so cool. I didn't know that you can have like a brand on your thing, like a legit brand, and have your design on it. I didn't know that. So let's continue. So Under Armour and Printful, they must have like a collab, which is really cool. Okay, so they have a lot of different hoodie types to choose from. They even have some that are more like that have like a zip up, some that are thinner, some that are thicker, some that are cropped. I like that. So idea number 5 is going to be t-shirts. So you're just going to search up t-shirt and see all the options that you have. So you're going to have unisex, which is for men and women. And then they even have the Under Armour t-shirts, which is really cool. Long sleeves. Ooh, long sleeves is something that I would get. They have the short sleeves ones. They even have like mini sizes to 5XL, 4XL. That's the cool thing about print on demand because you can offer so many sizes to your customers without having to worry about, oh my gosh, am I buying too much of this size? And you're able to offer such a variety to your customers. They even have like these crop tops, not crop tops. I don't even know what these are called. What are they called? Tank tops. That's what I meant to say. Tank tops. They have so many options. Oh, the baby thingies, they're so cute. So idea number 6 is going to be phone cases. So as you can see, this little design right here, that could be your design, but this is someone else's. Let me actually look at the reviews really quick to see. Oh, this is cute. It's kawaii. Let me look at the reviews and see if people showed. Yeah, so it looks like store owners who sell this product. I was trying to see if they can show like their, yes, their designs. So this is their own designs right here, which is awesome. This is their design, but you can have yours, which is really cool. But this is such a good way to offer all different kinds of phone cases. You have Samsung, you have iPhone, and they even have the MagSafe. Oh my gosh. I want like a really pretty MagSafe case that has like a cute design on it, because that's all I use is MagSafe, okay? So you're able to offer such a variety to your customers to make sure that you're getting all the sales. You even have AirPod cases, which wasn't even an idea on the list, but look at that. That's why I'm looking through here, because I know that they're gonna have like more things than I even have of ideas, but cool. Okay guys, so idea number 7 is going to be tote bags, which is a really popular one, and I see they have a few options to choose from. I really like this denim, ooh, but a standard tote bag is perfect, like this one right here. Let me see, and it looks like this one has the most reviews. Yeah, this is the one I would go for personally, like if I were doing all over print tote bag where you have your own design on it. This is so cute, it has good reviews. So idea number 8 is going to be a canvas, or like your own art basically. So basically like these right here, so you can have the frame canvas with your art on it. You can have the thin, the canvas. I think this is just a regular one, but this one has the most great reviews. I personally love, and it even says Printful suggest, so that's really cool. So idea number 9 is going to be leggings, like all over print leggings, which is very popular as well. This one has a lot of good reviews right here. You have all kinds of sizes, and yeah, so this is a really cool one. Okay, so idea number 10 is going to be baby items. So I see they have baby throw blankets. I see they have baby bodysuits, and what is this one? Another type of blanket. They have like, it looks more like toddler type of clothes, like he has a shirt. But yeah, just baby items in general, so adorable. I love it. So idea number 11 is backpacks. So you can have your custom designs on these cute backpacks, and they look like amazing quality. This one says bestseller, but this one says Printful suggest. So it's up to you at the end of the day, like which style you like better. Or you can have both of them on your website, because you really have nothing to lose at all. So idea number 12 is going to be custom water bottles. So as you can see, they have like a little design here of lemons, but you can have your own design. Like personally, I really like the custom design, like bow tie. I wish I had a picture to show you what I'm talking about, but like bow tie design, I feel like is so coquette, so cute. If I did a print on demand business, I would do a coquette website, like just have that as my theme. And they have, let me see. So these are the options that they have for the water bottles. Nice. You can even have like custom sayings on your water bottles. So idea number 13 is going to be a laptop sleeve like this. So you can have, you know what, actually I need one for my laptop, because I have no laptop case or anything to put it in. Like I have a case on it, but a laptop sleeve would be nice, but like a cute design, something cute. So idea number 14 is going to be duffel bag. So you have 2 different options to choose from. It's an all over print gym bag, which is cool. And then you have the duffel bag. So this one's more like a gym. This one's more like a duffel. So the duffel's bigger. So, you know, it just depends on what you want. And this one says Printful suggest, has good reviews. And the final idea is going to be journals, but like I said, there's more throughout Printful. You just have to look yourself. And so journals are a great one, like this, like a hardcover bound notebook, so you can just have like custom designs on it, which is, love it. And I see they even have like custom wall calendars, so that's why I said like look through, and you can find so many options. But like, let's just look through ourselves, like embroidery products right here. What do they mean by embroidery? Wow, so they can print, they can do embroidery, like print on demand products. Embroidery products are very high quality. Like if you're someone who's not skilled and you don't know how to do it yourself, you can have them embroider on it for you. I really want to see if I can see like a review who might show that they've embroidered on their hat for them. Oh my gosh, no way. You guys look. Wow, that's so awesome. So you can literally have them embroider on the hats for you. You know it's gonna come out high quality. What? So y'all can have your business just like top notch with this. You can even embroider on clothing. Yeah, that's really cool. I didn't know that. They also have a home and living section. So if you guys want to have like a home and living website, wow, so you can do custom shaped pillows and you can do all over print pillows, like designs. I love this. Garden flag, if you want like a custom, if you want to offer custom garden flags, all over print premium pillows. Okay, aprons, nice. You have so many options. Pet bowls for people. Glass jar, candle. So now you guys are going to learn how you're going to design your print-on-demand products. So this is how you're going to design your print-on-demand products. So you're going to go inside of Canva. They have all kinds of templates. They have free templates and then pro templates. But I'm not in my pro account right now because I don't remember which email I use. So I'm just in my free account. But you guys can see all of the different, but I do recommend getting a pro, honestly, because like there's a lot of like really good stuff. But let's look through and see. So let's just say if we like this one right here, this Savage. It is for pro, but anyways, you are going to just grab what you want. You can customize any image you want, and then you can download the image, go to Printful, right here. So right here, right? Yeah, so you're going to upload your design and then have it on here. Boom. Then you're going to save the product template, and then you can use those pictures on your website so that you have pictures to show people like how your products look, obviously. And then another example of how to like create a print-on-demand product, like let's say you go for mugs. You're just going to search up something very superficial like mug design. You don't have to think hard about what to search up. Mug design is good enough. And then you have like things like this. A lot of mugs, they go for like cute inspirational quotes, so you can like grab quotes and then edit the quote, make it your own, something unique. There's just so many to choose from, so just like keep looking through, find cute designs, and it might take you a while. I'm not saying it's going to be easy to find the perfect designs for your store, but I like this one, the coffee time. You can change colors, you can change all kinds of things, so just get creative with it. Now you guys are going to learn how to list and sell your products. So this is how you're going to list and sell your products. So as you can see, when you're inside of Printful, click on stores. It says connect or create your online store to start adding products. So you pick a platform for your store. I personally use Shopify, but they sync with so many platforms. So they sync with Shopify, Etsy. Wow, they sync with Etsy. That actually just blew my mind. Because I didn't know that. Because I was looking through Etsy and I'm like, you know, I see so many bestsellers. Like, for example, it's like sweatshirt, I think is what it's called. Let me see. So basically all of these Etsy sellers, some of them could possibly be using Printful for their things because they're offering custom things. Like when you're offering custom items on Etsy, you have a very high chance of being popular because custom items on Etsy is top sellers. But anyways, you have so many other platforms, even Amazon. Y'all, this is actually blowing my mind right now because I didn't know any of this. TikTok? What? TikTok shop. No way. You guys can do print on demand on TikTok shop. This is crazy. Yo, at this point, I need to start it. Like, what? This is crazy. Y'all, even Walmart? Okay, so anyways, you guys can see all of the different platforms that they have. So many. Square, online, Big Cartel, eBay, TikTok shop. This one surprised me, and Etsy. I didn't know. Like, I know that you can do it on Shopify, but what? So, like I said I was going to do a little bit later in the video, here it is. I'm going to show you guys the Printful growth plan and literally so many advantages you have. You can make more money with this plan, basically. So, and you get to try it for free at first to see if you like it. So, compare the Printful plans and choose the best one for your business. So, you can do the free one. But Printful Growth has so many more opportunities for you. Like, you can definitely be making more in your business if you choose this plan. And it's only $24.99 a month, but you get way cheaper prices than if you use their free plan. You get 33% off custom premium products. You get 9% off product branding, 25% off sample orders. So like when you order a sample to make sure that it's what you like, you get cheaper prices, basically. Free digitization for sample orders. Okay, unlimited stores with integrations and 10 with quick stores. So you get unlimited stores, exclusive limited time deals, large front print for select products, and personalized product transfer for only $24.99 a month. Actually very much a steal. So Printful growth, highly recommend it. So now you guys are going to learn how to actually grow your print-on-demand business. So you really need to be leveraging social media marketing, and specifically when it comes to short form content, it does amazing. It's very low effort, yet it can really change your business and really blow your print-on-demand business up. So you're going to have some of those products that you sell in your print-on-demand business, and you're just going to take a lot of short form content every single day, post 3 times a day, get your business out there as much as possible. And, you know, even doing long form content on YouTube, like maybe build a community of people, like-minded people who like your style. Say if you have like a kawaii print on demand business, you can like find like-minded people who also really love that aesthetic, and or maybe like coquette, such a cute aesthetic. I absolutely love that. Like I would totally support your business. I love coquette so much. But build your social media platforms around that aesthetic and just show them how cute it is. And then if people want it, you can just say link in bio. If you want to purchase this cute coquette mug, link in bio. So that's basically the way how you really promote and market your business. Now here's why Printful is the best choice for building your online brand. They have amazing quality control. That is such a huge part when it comes to, you know, them shipping directly to your customers. You cannot really be hands-on, but they have such amazing quality control, and they're trusted by so many big brands. They're trusted by Coca-Cola, CBS, Spotify, and so many more. And anyone as a new small business owner will get the same quality service without any upfront investment. And if you guys would like to start your own print-on-demand business today, I will have Printful linked in the description for you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!